Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today in the kitchen, we are going to make some delicious tomato gravy. And you can put it over whatever it is you like, especially if you love that tomato flavor, because this has a lot of tomato flavor in it. So what we're going to do first is combine equal parts of oil and flour in a skillet. We're just going to mix that, making us a roux. And so we're going to just continuously stir and stir that in there until it becomes a little on the brown side. We don't want it too brown, but we want it to be nice and creamy. Next, we're going to take our tomato soup and we're going to add that to our roux and just combine it very well. After we get it all nice and combined, we want to add our seasonings, which is just some black pepper and Italian seasoning. And that's it. You pour it over your favorite dish and enjoy your tomato gravy. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen.